Magandang araw muli mga Kabingo Plus. Magbibigay tayo uli ng tip tungkol sa ating mga account sa Bingo Plus. Ito ay isang tanong kung paano i-update or palitan yung ating mga registered SIM cellphone number doon sa Bingo Plus account natin. So kung ito ay nawala o na-deactivate yung ating mga SIM card. So, ito ang tanong. I've lost my phone or my SIM card is no longer working. How can I update my registered phone number? Ang sagot ng Bingo Plus, if you're lost your phone or your SIM card is no longer working, please contact our customer service team immediately to update your registered phone number. They will assist you in updating your account information securely. So, kontakin lang yung customer service nila. Number 2, what information do I need to provide when updating my registered phone number? So, ano daw yung kailangan niyang ibigay na information para ma-update yung cellphone number niya. So, sagot ng Bingo Plus, when updating your registered phone number, you may ask to provide certain account details for verification purposes. So, tatanungin lang kayo niyan, karamihan dyan yung birth date, yung kapanganakan natin sa lugar. Number 3, is there a verification process for updating my registered phone number? So, sagot ng Bingo Plus, yes. For security purposes, there may be a verification process when updating your registered phone number. Our customer service team will conduct a call verification where you would have to confirm your full name, date of birth, email address, and any other information associated with your account. So, malinaw, pag gusto mong palitan yung naka-register na phone number doon sa Bingo Plus account mo or ito ay deactivated na, tawagan lang yung customer service nila at ihanda yung kasagutan doon sa katanungan nila. So karamihan dyan ay yung tanong nila, yung date of birth, email address, complete name mo. Pag nag-match yun, hintayin mo na lang at ma-update yon. So sana nakatulong. Paki-share doon sa mga Bingo Plus player, baka nawala na yung mga cell number nila para malaman nila kung paano i-update. Paki-like at paki-subscribe na rin para ma-notify ka sa susunod kong mga video. Thank you.